As the school year gets underway again, the itel VistaTab 30S has been released to be a companion for learning and playing. This latest tablet from itel offers impressive specifications in its class. The itel VistaTab 30S is a suitable device for school children due to its affordable price. Not only does itel pay attention to specifications, but also to the design of its latest tablet. The VistaTab 30S features a minimalist design and maximum functionality. The company has included features that enable users to multitask, supporting all their activities. The itel VistaTab 30S is equipped with an 11-inch screen with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. This screen speed allows you to play esports or casual games smoothly. In addition, the 90 Hz screen speed helps applications transition smoothly. The most important feature of a tablet is its battery life, and itel has equipped the VistaTab 30S with a 7000 mAh battery. Despite this, the tablet is only 7 mm thick, making it slim and comfortable to hold. The latest itel tablet is powered by the Helio G88 chipset, which is renowned for its legendary performance. This chipset is complemented by a large 12GB RAM, 4GB plus 8GB virtual, and 128GB of storage. To support productivity, the VistaTab 30S also comes with computer mode. In addition, there is also educational AI that users can use to assist in learning and teaching activities. Regarding connectivity, this tablet supports 4G network connections, allowing users to use the tablet anywhere and anytime without needing to search for a Wi-Fi network. The itel VistaTab 30S is exclusively available on Shopee from July 25th to August 8th, 2025, at a special price. The launch price of the VistaTab 30S is offered at $110, down from the regular price of $116. Customers also have the opportunity to receive attractive gifts during the exclusive period, including 1,000 units of keyboards and 300 units of itel Buds 5i, while stocks last. At this launch, itel also introduced another new tablet, the VistaTab 30 GT. This tablet is perfect for consumers who want powerful performance in a slim and elegant design. Of course, the specifications of the itel VistaTab 30 GT differ from those of the VistaTab 30S. The VistaTab 30 GT features the Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, a large 12GB RAM, 6GB plus 6GB virtual, and fast 128GB UFS storage, ensuring smooth multitasking, productivity, and gaming experiences.